Welcome to Kurdish Lessons. You know, there is a song, it is from Juan Hajo, our famous singer. And in the song, he says, "Az miriyê tama." As miriyê tama. Literally, I am the dead one for you. The dead of you. Like, I am dying for you. I love you too much. I love you so much. Okay? So, the singer is a male, that's why he says, "Az miriyê tama." As a female, I can say, "Az miriyê tama." I love you so much. Okay? So, instead of te, you can put everything. Mesela, "Az miriyê nivîsandinê." Like, I am dying for writing. I love writing a lot. Or, "Az miriyê merdinê." I love Merdin too much. Okay? Or, "Ew miriyê Stambolê." He dies for Istanbul.